Good morning, students. So, continuing our chapter number 9, My Fun Day. Students, please take out your book and take page number 68. So, here you can see a timetable of class second day. Suppose this is a timetable of your class. Okay. So, in this slide, you can see your class timetable. फर्स्ट कॉलम में डेज लिखे हैं मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे। सेकंड कॉलम में फर्स्ट पीरियड, सेकंड पीरियड, थर्ड पीरियड, फोर्थ पीरियड, फिफ्थ पीरियड और सिक्स पीरियड के आपके सब्जेक्ट्स लिखे हैं। ओके, रीड इट डाउन। मंडे को आपका फर्स्ट पीरियड हिंदी का है, सेकंड पीरियड मैथ्स का, थर्ड पीरियड गेम्स, फोर्थ पीरियड इंग्लिश, फिफ्थ पीरियड ईवीएस, सिक्स पीरियड म्यूजिक। सेम ट्यूसडे फर्स्ट पीरियड हिंदी, सेकंड पीरियड मैथ्स, थर्ड ड्राइंग, फोर्थ इंग्लिश, फिफ्थ ईवीएस, सिक्स लाइब्रेरी। Wednesday first period Hindi, second maths, third games, fourth English, fifth EVS, sixth library. So on Thursday, Friday, Saturday you can read down. So some questions are based on this timetable. You have to look in this timetable and you have to give the answer. Look at the timetable of class second A and fill in the table. So you have to look at the timetable of class second A and fill in the table. So periods and on which day. You have to write down the name of the days of drawing period, music period, games period and library period. The question is given in your book. You can solve it in the book itself. So first period is drawing. You have to see when is your drawing period. Monday you are having your drawing period? No. Tuesday? Yes, it is in third period. Wednesday no drawing period. Thursday में भी drawing period आपका है, third period में ही है. Friday no drawing period and Saturday yes, again it is in the third period. So in a week there are 3 drawing periods. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So write down in your book. पीरियड में आपका ड्राइंग है, सामने ब्लैंक इज़ देयर, यू कैन राइट डाउन ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे एंड सैटरडे। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हेन इज़ योर म्यूजिक पीरियड? अगेन लुक एट द टाइम टेबल। मंडे को यू आर हैविंग योर म्यूजिक पीरियड? येस, सिक्स पीरियड आपका म्यूजिक पीरियड है। ट्यूसडे नो म्यूजिक पीरियड, वेडनेसडे नो म्यूजिक पीरियड, थर्सडे येस, अगेन इट इज़ इन सिक्स्थ पीरियड, फ्राइडे अगेन इट इज़ इन सिक्स्थ पीरियड। तो म्यूज़िक पीरियड आपके कब कब हैं? मंडे, थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे। सो इन अ वीक देयर आर 3 म्यूजिक पीरियड्स, मंडे, थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे. You can write in the blank which is given in your book. Next you have to see when is your games period. Again look in the timetable. Games period Monday yes, third period में आपका games period है. अगेन ट्यूसडे नो गेम्स पीरियड, वेडनेसडे वापस थर्ड पीरियड में आपका गेम्स पीरियड है, थर्सडे नो गेम्स पीरियड, फ्राइडे अगेन इट इज़ इन थर्ड पीरियड. सो इन अ वीक यू आर हैविंग 3 गेम्स पीरियड, मंडे, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे. सो राइट डाउन मंडे, वेडनेसडे, फ्राइडे. द नेम ऑफ द डेज you have to write in your book. Next you have to see when is your library period. Look in the timetable. Monday no, you don't have library period. Tuesday yes, you are having library period and that is in the sixth period. Wednesday again library period, sixth period, and Thursday no library period, Friday no library period and Saturday again your library period is in sixth period. So three periods are there in a week: Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday. So you can write down library periods Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday. Note this name of the days in your book. Now you have to see. Now fill in the blanks are there. On which days do you have a games period? Now again you look in the timetable and check when is your games period. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So you can write down Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Next question. How many children would like to have a games period every day? I think you all children love games period. आप सबको games period पसंद है, तो शायद जितने भी क्लास में बच्चे होंगे सबको पसंद होगा. You all would like to have a games period every day. So you can write down. जब हम लोग स्कूल में आएंगे, at that time I will ask this question again and we will write the number of the students who like to have games period every day. So leave this question now. We will do it afterwards. What games do you play in your games period? Next question. Which game do you like to play in your games period? Tell me. Girls like to play Ringa Ringa Rosa. And boys like to play football, cricket. Also girls like to play skipping. है ना? So you can write down the name of the games. You can write which you like to play in your games period. On which days do you have a drawing period? Again you have to look the timetable and see when you are having your drawing period. Monday को आपका drawing period नहीं है. Tuesday yes. Then Wednesday no drawing period. Thursday it is in third period. और Saturday again the drawing period is in the third period. तो drawing period आपके कब कब हैं? Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So you can write in your blank Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Now question number E. Do you have a music period? If yes, on which days? Now again you have to look in the timetable. When is your music period? You have to write down the name of the days. So Monday, yes, you are having your music period. It is in 6th period. Tuesday, no music period. Wednesday, again, no music period. Thursday, yes, it is in 6th period. Friday, 6th period. And Saturday, no music period. So you can write down Monday, Thursday and Friday. So on these days, Monday, Thursday and Friday, you are having your music period. So do you have your music period? You can write down yes. And if yes, on which days? You can write down the name of the days, Monday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, next question. Which day of the week do you like best at school? Which day do you like best at school? This also you can write down by yourself. Okay, when your students, when you come to the school at that time, you just see which day of the week do you like best at school. The name of that day you can write in that blank. Okay, आप उस blank को भी छोड़ देना. जब आप स्कूल आएंगे तब आप अपना टाइम टेबल चेक करेंगे. आपको जो भी दिन सबसे बेस्ट लगेगा, name of that day you can write in the blank of question number F. Okay. So students, do this exercise. Do all the questions in your book itself. Okay. First of all, read the timetable very well. उसको ठीक से read करो timetable, and then the questions are given. So look at the timetable and then fill in the table. And some blanks are given. 6 blanks are also given. Again you have to look in the timetable and you have to fill in the blanks. So इसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है? You have to check the timetable very carefully. Read the timetable very carefully. और उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस आपके नेक्स्ट पेज पे 69 पेज पे जो क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं, तो टाइम टेबल को देख के यू हैव टू सी द आंसर बाय लुकिंग द टाइम टेबल में सारे आंसर्स दिए हैं. लुक द टाइम टेबल वेरी केयरफुली एंड देन you can write down the answers. So do this exercise in your book itself. Students, we will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye.